We have some breaking news for Dogecoin. We have AMC going to be accepting Dogecoin. We have the Robinhood coming out with the Dogecoin wallets. They finally confirmed it in the month of October. We are going to be talking about this and much more, where we are headed, what is next for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. So make sure you watch this video. Watch till the very end. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, where we call out huge and important information that you cannot miss. And if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies and you are bullish on Dogecoin, you want to see Dogecoin go to the moon, make sure you smash the like button and let me know in the comments below, how do you feel about AMC and these Robinhood wallets? Let's go ahead and blow up the comment section. And if you want to get my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon for only $10 a month, where we can do conference calls. We can do consultations to help build your portfolio, get your portfolio right. I have a bunch of services to help you make money and get you squared away in crypto. Don't forget, I'm giving away 200 Dogecoin to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow my Instagram and my Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments with your Dogecoin deposit address. So before we get into the really good, juicy stuff, which we will be getting into in just a second, let's take a look, take a stop and see what's going on in the crypto market. So today, Bitcoin is up 5%. We are seeing Ethereum up nearly 9%. We have Cardano up 11%. We have Binance Coin up 8%, XRP up 12%, Solana up 15%, Polkadot 17%. We bought Polkadot in the dip yesterday. Congratulations. A lot of these cryptos we did buy, so we have made some profits. If you did buy those dips in the Patreon, congratulations. We have Dogecoin up a whopping 10%. So things are absolutely looking gorgeous. They're looking beautiful today. And if we take a brief look at the chart, look at this. We are seeing all green here for Ethereum. We are headed straight up, ladies and gentlemen. It is looking wonderful. Bitcoin is headed to $44,000. Things are looking great. So we ended up breaking that level of resistance, which was $43,000, which is a very bullish recovery sign, a very strong sign that we are underway for a recovery. Dogecoin ended up making some really big moves today from the bottom. Yesterday, we basically made about a 17% gain in a very short period of time. So Dogecoin has seen some life. Solana ended up making about, from the bottom to the top, about 30% gains. Congratulations if you bought some of those dips. So overall, cryptos are looking wonderful. Now let's get into the juicy stuff. So here we have Robinhood confirms crypto wallet feature on the app starting in October. So in October, you will, with Dogecoin, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, with all the cryptos that are listed on Robinhood, you will be able to have a wallet where you can send and receive cryptocurrencies. This is absolutely huge. And I believe that this will help the future pumps of Dogecoin. If you believe that Dogecoin will have one more pump at least during this bull run, which will be at least the next several months, let me know in the comments section below, and make sure you smash up the like button for that very purpose. Let's see how many of you all believe and support that idea. But I personally think that Dogecoin will have at least one more massive pump, like we saw a couple months back when Dogecoin went from 14 cents all the way to 74 cents. I think we will see a pump to that degree, potentially even much greater. So we are going to be on the lookout for that, of course, in this channel. But this is absolutely huge. A lot of times, Robinhood, especially when things have pumped up a lot, when there's a lot of volatility in the market, the application would crash and things like that. But I think that this would prevent that. Now that people actually have custody of their cryptocurrencies, that now they can actually do and send things on the blockchain. So I don't think Robinhood is going to have those problems when you see Dogecoin or cryptocurrencies pumping or a lot of volatility, trying to sell, things like that. Let me know what you all think about it in the comments below, but this is a very bullish sign. So the reason why Dogecoin didn't get to $1 is because basically Robinhood crashed. A bunch of these applications crashed. They could not handle the volume. So now with that problem kicked out of the way, and Robinhood actually stopped at one point, allowing people to add new money. You had to wait several days for funds to clear to even buy more Dogecoin specifically. So they tried to put a stop on that at one point. But I think that that will not ever happen again, especially when it comes to Dogecoin on Robinhood. Most of the people on Robinhood are buying Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is their biggest profit factor for the company itself. So now people have basically unlimited buying power, unlimited potential to pump Dogecoin literally to the moon. So when these apes get together, when all of these people band up together, based on the hype that Elon Musk, I believe, will bring back, he's going to bring back the hype of Dogecoin once he starts to tweet again. Once they start releasing some information, I think Elon Musk, in my opinion, this is not financial advice, is working behind the scenes something great and big, much greater than our possible imaginations for what Dogecoin could potentially do. And the wallets are definitely a huge factor, most likely going to pump up the price of cryptocurrencies. It's going to allow a lot more money to flow into cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin. And then we have this whole AMC thing, which we're going to be talking about right now. So here we have AMC. So AMC is going to now start accepting, most likely, 99% sure about that, Dogecoin at the end of the year when they do accept their other cryptocurrencies. And how are we able to infer that? So we have Adam Aaron, the CEO of AMC, the other day, September 21st, which was yesterday, made a poll and he said, should we accept Dogecoin? And then he came out today and said, I never thought I would see this day. Elon Musk liked my Dogecoin Twitter poll tweet. If you happen to see this tweet too, Mr. Musk, congratulations on Tesla and SpaceX. I've strived to be an innovator my entire career, but you, sir, are the epitome of innovation above all others. So we had Elon Musk. Not only are we going to be talking about some awesome stuff for AMC, but Elon Musk actually liked the poll, and that's what really set this thing off. And here he said, look, he came out today, he said, so fascinating. The Dogecoin poll was by far my highest read tweet ever. In 24 hours, 4.2 million views, my most ever retweets, most ever replies, 140,000 votes, which were approximately 80% yes. It's clear that you think AMC should accept Dogecoin. Now, listen to this. We need to figure out how to do that. Stay tuned. So here we have the CEO of AMC getting ready and doing all in his power right this very second. He's scrambling right now to get Dogecoin to be an acceptable payment method in the future, along with other cryptocurrencies. Maybe they will accept Dogecoin first. Maybe they'll be like, okay, because of the community and everything, we respect you guys. Maybe we will accept Dogecoin like a week beforehand, before they release accepting Bitcoin and all these other cryptocurrencies, which they have planned and announced just a couple weeks back that they will be accepting towards the end of the year and before the year's up. So what do you all think of this? Personally, this is actually extremely bullish news. I've talked about this earlier in my video this morning, which you should definitely check out. But one thing about this is that this is going to bridge the gap between AMC and Dogecoin. It's going to bridge the gap of AMC investors with Dogecoin investors. The AMC community is huge, one of the biggest communities in the entire world when it comes to investing, and they have a lot of power. They were able to bring up this stock basically from the grave to extremely high numbers that people would have never fathomed ever happening. And these same people are associated with GameStop, who are also able to change lives and change almost the financial system alone. So having the power of these AMC and these GameStop apes coming together with the Dogecoin and these crypto apes, we can come together and form the best investment community in the world, pumping up cryptos beyond our belief. And I personally think that there is a little bit of feud between AMC and Dogecoin or cryptocurrency investors. And I think that this will certainly bridge the gap. AMC investors will be like, wow, you know, Dogecoin is actually going to help this stock. When people buy Dogecoin, when people use Dogecoin to buy our products, when Dogecoin goes up, because we're going to have to hold Dogecoin in our treasury, we're going to have to hold Dogecoin on our balance sheet, that when Dogecoin goes up, it will pump the stock price too. So they'll be buying the stock, they'll be buying Dogecoin back and forth, and maybe Dogecoin investors also will do the same. They'll buy AMC stock because it can help pump Dogecoin and so forth. So the two will be potentially bridged in a specific manner. Now, let me know what you all think about this in the comments below. But the Robinhood wallets, we have AMC accepting Dogecoin. These are huge catalysts that we have been waiting for all year. And I think that these catalysts, along with some things that we have cooking, that is the Dogecoin community, the Dogecoin developers, the Dogecoin team, The Dogecoin Foundation has cooking behind the scenes. All of these things together can certainly bring Dogecoin above $1. And we are not even considering the whole crypto market moving. We are in the biggest bull run in cryptocurrency history. So if Bitcoin breaks $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, that will send Dogecoin, that will send other cryptocurrencies to moon. And if we have these certain factors on top of it in the midst of the bull run, because they will be accepting Dogecoin most likely in December. So when the height of the bull run is here, then they're going to be accepting Dogecoin. That could pump Dogecoin up hundreds of percents. It is going to be potentially crazy. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just my own opinion. Before getting into some technical analysis, let me just briefly talk to you about iTrust Capital. It's a crypto retirement trading account where you can trade cryptocurrencies tax-free. iTrust Capital, they use Coinbase custody. So pretty much everything that you can buy on Coinbase, you can buy through iTrust Capital, and you can actually send your cryptos over from any brokerage to directly iTrust Capital. And you can be in a tax-deferred account. So if you have a lot of money, you plan on investing for the long term, they have 401ks, they have a whole bunch of options so that you can trade cryptocurrencies tax-free. What this basically means is that every time you sell cryptocurrencies, it is a taxable event. But in a tax-deferred account, you can trade cryptocurrencies for years without being taxed. And if you want to pull your money out early, you'll still be taxed way less, much less than if you were to be trading on your own. So if you plan on investing in cryptocurrencies for a couple of years and you have a little bit of money saved up, a little bit of cryptocurrencies that you don't need that money right then and there, I definitely recommend checking out iTrust Capital. Use my link. It is also in my video's description. So moving on, let's take a look at some technical analysis. So here we have Ethereum just looking wonderful. And we formed that inverse head and shoulders, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. We called out earlier this morning. I was like, look, most likely, and even yesterday, we're going to form this inverse head and shoulders. When we saw this pumping, I was like, look, most likely will probably come down here. We ended up bouncing up harder and faster than that, and then we'll probably have a decent breakout. So what's happening right now is that we are now approaching for Ethereum, that is a level of resistance. So what happens to Ethereum and Bitcoin is really important for us to pay attention to see if cryptocurrencies are going to recover, especially Dogecoin. So we have this strong level of resistance approximately right here, which should be $3,100, which we are $30,044 right now. So what's going to happen is we're going to come up and test it, and if we break past this, we could see a pretty significant breakout, most likely taking us back to about $3,400 to $3,500. The same thing goes true with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has a level of resistance that we actually have been able to break. We ended up coming up and testing the resistance because Bitcoin is outperforming. On the charts, not performance wise, but as far as bullishness is concerned, is outperforming a lot of these cryptocurrencies because a lot of whales are buying Bitcoin right now. They want to get in while these prices are super cheap. So we ended up testing this level of resistance, came out, but we're pretty much just at this resistance line ready to get a breakout. But it could be certainly a possibility for us to come down just a little bit, and then before bouncing up, because here we have a low here, a low here, a low here, and we're making higher highs. So we are in an uptrend at this reversal area. But let's take a look at Dogecoin. Let's see what's going on with Dogecoin. So Dogecoin ended up completing this inverse head and shoulders, but we actually ended up breaking past it. So this was the resistance level or the neckline, and we ended up blowing past it. But here we have a bullish flag forming. So we have a long flagpole followed by a small consolidation period, which we don't have much time in this period yet to see what's really going to happen. But I would not be surprised if we ended up coming down a little bit before bouncing up and continuing this uptrend. So overall on the charts, at least in the relative short term, things are still very, very bullish. And if you want a great platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Cardano and Dogecoin, use my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100 using the link below in my video's description, they'll send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000. If you got something out of the video, make sure you smash the like button, blow up the comment section, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you all tomorrow. Hang in there.